In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit services on Fresha, the complete 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Fresha user or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will help ensure your services are up to date, allowing you to provide the best experience for your clients. So let's dive right in. First, head on over to Fresha.com or open your Fresha app on your device. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password and then click on log in. It's important that you log in as a business owner or manager. This way, you'll have full access to all the necessary settings you'll need to edit services. Once that's done, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on that to move forward. Next up is navigating to your services. Within settings, choose services or services and pricing from the list. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the services you currently offer. If you need to make changes to an existing service, simply click on the name of the service you wish to update. This will open up a detailed view of all the service-related settings you can adjust. Let's go over the details you might want to modify. You can change the service name if it needs updating or refinement. Make sure the description clearly outlines what clients can expect when they book this service. This transparency ensures they know exactly what they're getting. You can also revise the price, which is crucial if you've recently updated your pricing strategy. If the duration of the service has changed, ensure this is accurately reflected as it determines the appointment length in your calendar. It's equally important to assign the right staff members who can provide this service. Choose wisely to ensure you're distributing the workload appropriately across your team. For better calendar organization, consider using a color code for each service type. This visual aid simplifies schedule management and distinguishes between different service types at a glance. Lastly, let's address availability and booking rules. Within the service settings, scroll down to availability and booking options. Here you can specify which staff members are available for the service and adjust any booking rules. These rules might include the minimum notice period required before an appointment or limits on how far in advance clients can book. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, don't forget the final step, saving your changes. Click on Save or Update Service to ensure all your edits are recorded. The good news is, once you save, the updated service information immediately reflects on both your booking page and your calendar, keeping everything seamlessly up to date. And there you have it. By the end of this guide, you should be well equipped to edit your services effectively on Fresha. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Have a great day, and happy scheduling!